Hello everyone and welcome to my first Cryengine tutorial in English. In this video I'm not going to show you how to use Wwise. This is just a basic example of how to import your custom sounds to the engine and nothing more. The first of all is to check this page of the Cryengine dashboard, which I'm going to copy into this video's description so you can all read it carefully and make sure you understand everything. So as you can see here, the Wwise project needs to be in this folder, sounds Wwise _ project and so on. So we go to the Cryengine root folder, we get into the game SDK folder, which is the folder that contains every asset of the Cryengine, and you can copy your Wwise sound banks and everything into the sounds.pack file, but I recommend you to create your own sounds folder, and inside this sound folder create the Wwise and Wwise _ project folder and all. So make sure that the Wwise project is in that folder. The sound banks need to be in the folder sounds Wwise, and you have to set the sound bank folder to Wwise in the project settings. So make sure that every folder that they ask you to create is actually created. In here Wwise in game SDK and sounds, and inside sounds Wwise and Wwise project. So I'm gonna open Wwise. So I'm gonna start a new Wwise project and I'm gonna call it English tutorial, and I'm going to make sure that the project folder is the one required here, sounds Wwise _ project. So Cryengine, game SDK, sounds, Wwise project, and here select this folder. I'm also going to uncheck these ones because I don't want any sound samples or reverb effects or whatever. So I'm going to press OK, close this, and we have our blank project right here. I have a sound example here I'm going to show you. This is a sound for Cryengine. It's not perfect, it's not even well recorded, but it will be useful for this video. So in here, in audio, in actor mixer hierarchy default work unit, I'm gonna drop the sound directly from my desktop. I'm gonna drop it here and press import. So we have our sound right here. Right click it and press convert. Choose the platform you're working with, in this case is Windows. Press OK and we have our sound example converted. The next thing we have to do is to create an event which will be used in Cryengine. Right click the sound, select new event, and the first one, the play event. The name of the event is at your choice, and here it will appear the event, and here the sounds that make the event. An event can be made by a lot of sounds, but in this case it's just only one sound that I'm gonna create a loop with it. You can also check the stream option or change the volume, apply a low pass filter, change the pitch, or whatever you want to do. So we have our event created. Now it's time to create a sound bank So press the layout button, choose sound bank, and in here press new and create and name your sound bank. I'm gonna name it, for example, tutorial tutorial bank. Press OK and check it. And when you select the tutorial bank, in here appears the events of your project, and you simply drag them here, and now this tutorial bank will contain the play sound example event. Check the platform and languages, and finally go to project settings, go to sound banks, and remember that in the dashboard they told us to set the sound bank folder to Wwise in the project settings. So in the project settings, sound banks, Windows, in the sound bank paths, and choose Cryengine, Game SDK, and Wwise. Select Wwise, and everything should be okay now. The only thing left is to, well, save the project and press the generate button.